Vad fan vill du nu? Är hela gänget tillbaka?
Va? Ha det bra. Hejdå. Ursäkta, jag är finnjävel.
Är du Vittoland?
Vittoland, ja.
Ja, vad fan.
Kan man få några tårna nu?
Ja. Vi testar hamburgare istället.
Jag saknar tångtavlor.
Jag vet.
Vad länge sedan.
Du åt det varje dag.
Ja, då är det. Jag vill behöva starkaste hotdog. Harakiri.
Ska du ha harakiri?
Ja.
Legitimation.
Vad väl?
Ja, skit.
We can record his death here.
Jarmo.
Jarno.
Jarmo.
En. Jag hatar när du säger Jarmo.
Jarmo.
Ja, Jarno.
Jarmo.
Säger Jarmo. Jag hatar det.
Utmana eller bara prova?
Va?
Vill du tävla eller prova? You want to challenge or just try it?
Challenge.
I don't have with me t-shirt your size.
Okay.
Do you live in Stockholm, Sweden?
Finland.
When are you back again? Are you here tomorrow?
Oh, yeah.
So if you make it, I'll bring the biggest one. You can change it tomorrow.
Okay.
If you don't make it, I don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
We're not here tomorrow night though.
Ja, det är bra.
100.
Ja. Okay.
Mr. Jarmo.
Jarno.
Jarno!
Yeah, Mr.
Det här
Jarmo.
är bäst.
Jarno!
Jarmo.
No!
Sign his death warrant.
Fuck you!
Han skriver med stort N.
Ja.
Datum?
Ja, datum.
Så du vet, banderollen jag gjorde nu, den är 6 meter lång och den kommer hängas upp på segeltåt igen. Stor. 6 meter. Jarmo.
Jarno!
Mr. Jarmo.
Oh, you're just asking for the fist.
Yeah, stand in line. I don't give a fuck.
You're just getting me even more angry about it.
Yeah, poor little baby. Poor little baby. This is gonna fuck you up so bad you wish you were home in Finland. Sucking your mom's boob.
Oh! Kul!
Oh, you wanna suck my mom's boob? Okay.
Kul!
Mrs. Jarmo.
Miss Jarmo. This is Mrs. Jarmo.
Is it your girlfriend or wife or...
Yes.
She's my girlfriend, she's my boyfriend from...
Hello.
That's good. So who's best in bed? Him or her?
I haven't tried them both yet, so hard to tell.
So he's better.
Yeah. Always.
And she said yeah.
We'll see tonight.
Why not?
So you're from Vittoland.
Vittoland, ja.
Vittolanden. Kulle.
Kyllä.
Få lite Jarmo. I'm going into your head, eh?
Ja.
So you think Vittoland gonna make it? Do you think
No.
Vittoland gonna make it? No.
Never. He's told me about
If
Finnish.
you make it, I will call you Jarmo.
Jarno.
I will call you. But if you make it, if you don't make it, you're Jarmo.
No, I'll accept that.
So you're Jarmo so far.
Ja.
Mrs. Jarmo.
Jag har sett din YouTube.
I Finland.
Ja.
Kollar ni på det i Finland?
Ja.
Kulle.
Det är på svenska ju.
Ja. Det är mycket Finland.
Por qué no?
För din stream.
Är det så?
På YouTube, ja.
Men säg någonting till Finland då.
Ja. Hej Suomi!
Hej så!
Fuck you!
Fuck you too.
Hey!
Hej Max!
So Jarmo is not gonna make it today.
No! Never!
I like you said it's funny tattoo.
We'll just call him an ambulance and then carry on.
Captain Haddock.
Look at this! It's from a friend!
It's a screenshot that.
What, from Finland or from Sweden?
Sweden.
She's from
No,
Britain.
text.
My friend is from Sweden.
What's his name?
Max.
Max, fuck you!
Say fuck yeah, please. Exactly. Say fuck you, Max. And he sent this screenshot.
Yeah, that's perfect. Nästan färdig.
Har du inte på fucka min korv nu?
Ja, har jag gjort det någon gång?
Ja.
Skulle jag någonsin... Henrik,
Ey, Vitto,
Henrik, titta mig. Skulle jag helt ärligt som kompis
Nej.
skulle jag någonsin göra en sån sak?
We will
Please say Ekelbäck.
I thought you were doing this only for weekends.
Fuck you
Yeah,
too,
but
then,
summer...
dog.
Yeah, 'cause we're here for 2 days. So I was glad to come here on
Cold dog.
Tuesday.
Nej, jag såg. Hörru.
Jag böter upp.
Min rackarste hand Ekelbäck.
Okej. Jarmo, ready?
Yeah.
Rolls. No ketchup, no mustard, no drink. There's 5 minutes. 5 fucking minutes. You spill or drop anything, you'll be disqualified. If anybody touch your hot dog any type of way, you'll be disqualified. If you spit anything out, you'll be disqualified. Have you understand the rules?
Yeah.
Good luck. And time starts there. Don't spill.
Let's go, Jarno. Let's go.
Jag måste vänta det så jävla hot.
Nutten. Poor little baby.
Jarmo.
You want to call your mama to blow it on you?
Yeah, I'll do it by myself. It's too hot to,
You know,
it's too hot for
ice,
eating.
baby.
I'll wait it to cool down a bit.
Dricka med
Nice.
rykande kalldrink där.
Va?
En jävla hjälte.
Hey, Helldog, can I have a taste from your ice water?
No, it's my shit.
Oh.
And it's ice water with lime.
Oh.
Är det gott?
Känns som fan alltså.
Jarmo, come on!
Jag måste vänta det så hot.
Yeah. That's what all the pussies say.
Yeah.
She's too hot. Time ticks.
I know.
You think you're gonna do Hoffa style? I'm getting bored.
I know.
Vi också.
Me too. You made it too hot.
Do it.
How much do you need to eat it?
All of it?
Yeah, all of it. Like 1 minute is enough?
Till
then you can
yeah,
have
1:50, 1:30.
He thinks so.
Yeah.
If you
At least we know what's the break.
He's not gonna make it in 1:30.
Come on, Jarno. 3 minutes.
Oh,
If you
yeah.
spill too much, you're out. You know that. If you spill a little bit, you
Gonna
only
call
get
Jarmo
shit.
if you don't do it.
I know. It's about the honor.
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up and eat, you stupid son of a bitch.
Spilling!
Once in your mouth, stays in your mouth. Take a bite. Yeah. Don't drop anything, don't spill anything. Then you're out. Please, Jarmo. Blowing like a blowjob. Blowing a blowjob.
Oh, it's got a dumpster.
Jarmo, is it painful? Oh,
Right.
I will forget you that one. That was just one single drop.
What drop? I don't see anything.
It's on him.
It doesn't count.
Well, it didn't drop.
Jarmo, third bite, now where the pain starts.
2 minutes.
And it will never end.
Do it.
Don't stop.
Make ginger pop. Jarmo, go home and cry in Finland. To Vittoland. You take your lappinkulta and cry like a bitch. Oh, you know how to put in a hot dog in your mouth, huh? It's not the first time.
He's been training.
He's been training. Oh, Jarmo.
What? How did you do your own sauce back home? Like when you trained for this? Was it this sauce?
I think it's ketchup
Oh shit!
and yogurt.
Oh, little baby, is it painful? I have some cold. I got some cold drink.
Hej tack.
You want a beer?
Senare.
Come on, Jarno.
1 minute.
1 minute. Finish it. You got 1 minute.
Oh, Jarmo maybe gonna make it. It's maybe gonna make it.
He might do
Is
it.
it gonna change the name from Jarmo to something else?
Go.
No, no.
Yeah.
Well,
Lick your
Almost
fingers.
there.
you have to
Lick
lick
your
it up,
fingers.
everything. Everything has to be clean. Just rape your hand.
Yeah. Rape your hand like you rape my ass.
What's the fucked up thing about this? You didn't even spill one drop.
Yeah, a little
One
bit.
tip on the shirt.
The hands are not clean. Hands are not clean.
I still have like half a minute.
Yeah.
Have fun, go nuts.
Är det okej nu?
Lite grann. We can take away the gloves. Throw in the garbage bag.
I think he did it. I think he did it.
Okay.
And some of my shirt too.
Almost.
Yeah.
It's not our size, but if you come
okay.
tomorrow, I'll bring the biggest one tomorrow. You want this one? Ah, this goes to Finland. It hurts. Really hurts. It goes to Finland. I mean, it all,
goes with a lot of
in
pain.
all fucking countries. I mean, I hate Finland when it's hockey. I really hate Finland when it's hockey. And you know how we hate each other when it's hockey. But actually, we love each other because we're neighbors and brothers.
We're brothers. We're
But,
brothers.
yeah, but Finland is gonna take this church. It's gonna take Jarno.
Jarno.
Thank you, Jarno, and fuck you too. You're welcome.
Thank you.